Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with ZIPPYDOC. In this video, we will be showing you how to use the Clean task to improve the quality of a dataset by cleaning based on certain categories. One can use the Clean task to make improvements such as removing blank rows, removing leading or trailing white spaces, removing certain characters from datasets, modifying the case of data. The dataset we are using for this example contains sales information for a sporting good manufacturer with stores located in various regions and cities. In order to get started, we need to make sure that we have added the table to our flow, as shown in a previous video. I have already added my sales table. We then need to add the Clean task to the flow. You can do this by clicking the Select Task button and choosing the Clean task from the available list of options. The task has now been added to the flow, and we can update the description of the task. It is useful to provide a brief description to easily identify which task you are working on. We can then start entering the parameters by clicking the Parameter button. First, select the input table and relevant columns. It is possible to apply the Clean task to all columns or to select specific columns. Now that the input table options are completed, we can start selecting cleaning options. First, we have the option to remove empty records. In our example, we have a few empty records in the dataset which we would like to remove. To perform the Empty Records task, we need to select whether we want to clean the records that are empty, blank, or null. We can also select whether we are cleaning by blank or a 0. The next available option is to remove white space. We can select to remove all or specific categories of white space. Another option is to remove certain characters from the data. For example, if we would like to remove all punctuation from a dataset, we can select the Punctuation option. The Clean task also has the ability to modify the case of text in the dataset. Selecting this option will present you with additional parameters to enter. We can choose whether we want to modify the case to uppercase, lowercase, or title case. Once we have completed our cleaning options, we then need to define the settings for our output table as shown in a previous video. Lastly, execute the Clean task by clicking the Run Task button. Once the output table is generated, we can see that ZIPPYDOC has cleaned our data based on the parameters we selected. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video series for ZIPPYDOC. We will see you in the next video.